Day 3 of making my own game. So I wanted to cook up a new song again. And here's what I made. Tell me in the comments if it's peak. Okay, time to show the game progress. I added a placeholder enemy, but he'll work on it on day 4. And fixed the jump so he could jump higher. That's all for today. See you on day 4.